Alright guys, it is January 5th, 2021. It is about, what time is it? It's almost 5:30 in the evening. And here's one last look at the Goodman before replacement. The new unit is on its way. I'm not going to say what brand of unit I'm getting. All I will say is I don't know if it's going to be a dedicated horizontal unit like I have here, a rectangle unit, or if it's going to be a multi-position unit, one of them large, big, square, tall units. I will be going to get it when it is in. The supply house will call me and I will go pick it up. And I will try my best to do a video on installing the new unit. But like I said, I'm not going to say what brand it is or anything. I'm going to save that for the video because it'll be a surprise. For those of you who know me very well, you might know what two brands I had mentioned before on when the Goodman would be getting replaced, and my camera battery is flashing red now, so the camera's probably going to shut off in a minute. But it's going to be one of two brands, maybe one of three. Like I said, I'm not going to say what it is. I'm going to save it for a surprise, but I figured I'd just do this one last video, give y'all an update on the Goodman. It went into service 11/6/2008 and ended service 12/31/2020. Anyways, before my camera goes out, I'll see you on the next one.